questions. I am Joanna and I'll be your host for today. And with me is our sales team, our support team, which will be glad to help you out with any questions that you might have. Just reach over the chat box to ask any further questions that you might have during the webinar series, and they'll be glad to answer them out for you. Firstly, adding a feature to your free integration plan for Constant Contact integrations or on our paid plans can make your integration tasks easier and super simple. At an affordable fee of only $9.99 or $10, you can customize your integration depending on your needs with SyncApps. You can visit our full add-ons list with a link below, which our support team will be sending out through the chat box as well. First, we have the Campaign Response Sync add-on. This add-on lets you sync unlimited email marketing campaign metrics such as opens, clicks, and bounces back to your CRM from any of our supported marketing automation solutions. You can sync your Constant Contact event campaigns with EventSpot, your Navatar marketing initiatives, your notes, and activities. So here in your SyncApps step 1 of your sync profile, you can see how you can sync your campaign responses or your Constant Contact events super simple. A very useful example for this one is you view your records marketing information into a single CRM software, which can be a lifesaver in any business, correct? So with our Sync Campaign Responses add-on, you can view your marketing metrics in a single organized CRM platform. We have also featured our add-on, which is the Campaign Responses, in our previous webinar series, which you can relieve for integrating your campaign responses from Constant Contact to Salesforce in our blog or video. The link will also be given to you in the chat box below. So how about pricing? The Campaign Responses add-on has a pricing of $10 on the free plan, and on the Basic, Pro, and Enterprise plans, it is already included in the package. Second add-on is our custom field mapping. So SyncApps only maps the default fields such as email addresses, the name, the company, and the address. If you want to sync additional fields, you have to enable mapping unlimited custom fields between your software applications with this add-on. So over in step 4 of your sync profile, once you have purchased the additional field mapping add-on, you can enable it in step 4. You can see and input the Salesforce field or your any CRM field and into your marketing automation field, select the mapping direction, and add it accordingly. You can see all of your current mappings on the bottom part of step 4. A very useful scenario for this one is, can I add any custom fields which aren't pre-mapped by SyncApps? And how do I do it? So with SyncApps, once a custom field mapping is enabled, all of the available fields in your CRM software or in your marketing automation software will be automatically shown in step 4 as what I have just shown. All of those fields are ready to be mapped and synced between your applications. Same with our Campaign Response add-on. On the free plan, it has a $9.99 fee, and it is included in all of our paid plans. Next, we have the Filtering and Segmentation add-on. This is one of our most powerful features. Our filter and segmentation is very useful if you want to use a specific criteria to filter and match your CRM records within a segment. So here in your sync profile, step 5, you can enable the filtering and segmentation from your CRM to your marketing automation in step 5. Once you enable that, you can create a segment or a filter, create your filter based on your criteria, and create a segment. One scenario for this one is if you have 1,000 contacts in your CRM account, but you only want to sync specific records to your marketing automation. Is this possible with SyncApps? Let's say you have 1,000 records or 1,000 contacts in Salesforce, but you only want to sync those records that have a particular email address. So you can set that over with SyncApps in step 5 and put email address is equal to the specified criteria that you have set. SyncApps will then automatically take all of your CRM records, all of those 1,000 records, filter and match them accordingly with a specified filter. So all of those records will be filtered in your email address filter, and we will sync those that have been matched over to your marketing automation. So for the free plan, this is actually not available, but for the basic, we have an add-on fee of $10, and on the professional and enterprise plans, it is already included in the package. Our next add-on is our Full Sync add-on. To automatically remove records from your marketing automation solution when they are no longer a part of any synced CRM marketing list, subscribing to our Full Sync add-on is one great solution. It is the only way to automatically remove a CRM members from a synced external constant contact or vertical response or MailChimp group. Particular scenario for this add-on is if you want a contact in marketing automation unsubscribes, will this sync back over to my CRM software and mark my contact as opted out? With SyncApps, you can automatically do that. With a full sync, SyncApps keeps your lists fresh and updated with the recent updates of your contacts from marketing automation to your software, to your CRM software rather. So same, the full sync add-on is unavailable on our free plan, and you will have to pay a fee of $10 in the basic, professional, and enterprise plans. Next, we have the List Sync add-on. This one is very handy if you want to sync unlimited marketing lists. Let's say you have NetSuite saved searches, NetSuite subscriptions, Salesforce campaigns or marketing lists, Zoho CRM campaigns or list views, Highrise tags, Dynamic CRM marketing list, Sugar CRM target list, and a whole lot more to your marketing automation solution. So over here in step 1, you can actually set it up and select Sync Campaign List Members to Constant Contact List. You can select a specific marketing list mode if you want to use Salesforce campaign as list. Then you will have to select specific campaigns to sync, but please make sure that those campaigns are active in your CRM accounts. So an example for this one is, I am on the free plan and I wonder why I cannot sync specific CRM campaigns to my marketing automation. So in SyncApps, with this add-on of ours, sync unlimited active marketing lists from your CRM to your marketing automation. SyncApps will automatically create a copy of your CRM marketing list to your marketing automation with its corresponding campaign members. For the free plan, there is a fee of $10, and for our paid plans, it is already included in the package. Next add-on is our Sync On Demand add-on. With our Sync On Demand add-on, you get a real-time syncing anytime you like. migrate your data with the press of our Sync Now button. All you have to do is go to your sync profile and select or press the following button to sync your sync profile immediately. A very great example for this is if you have just sent out an email campaign in your marketing automation, right? And you want to bring back the campaign metrics immediately after that, then our Sync on Demand add-on is available for you to sync your data at any time that you like. The Sync on Demand add-on has a fee of $10 for free and basic plans, and it's already included in the professional and enterprise plans. Next, we have the sync scheduling. So with the sync scheduling, if you need a tighter sync time, you can grab our sync scheduling add-on to sync your data in every 6, 8, 12, or 24-hour intervals. Here in step 5, once you enable the sync scheduling add-on, you can select the sync interval and select the sync time for sync apps to sync your data immediately. So in the free and basic plans, we have a $10 add-on fee, and for the professional and enterprise plans, it is already included in the package. Next, we also have an additional sync profile add-on. You can always grab 2 additional sync profiles to manage your real-time business even more. This add-on is specifically handy if you have to set up additional sync profiles with different configurations without having to move to our enterprise plans. So a particular scenario for this one is we have a subscriber that is on the free plan and they need to sync more than one object type. With this Sync Apps add-on, you can add 2 more sync profiles and add an integration accordingly. You can set up an integration with a different configuration if you enable additional sync profiles for your Sync Apps account. So on our free, basic, and professional plans, we have a $10 add-on fee, and for enterprise plans, it is not available. Nextly, we have the Use Checkbox fields for segmentation. This add-on is only available for Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics CRM 360, and Zoho CRM Sync Apps. You can sync any CRM checkbox field on the lead or contact record to your marketing automation lists, groups, or segments. So in step 1, if you have the checkbox fields available in your marketing automation, you can use or select that over in step 1 of your sync profile. Possible use case scenario for this one is we have a subscriber that asks, can I sync groups exposed in our contact form directly from the checkboxes and sync these subscribers to our CRM? So with the Sync Apps add-ons, of course you can. You can also create each of your groups as also checkboxes on the lead or contact record in your CRM. So all of the checkboxes that you have in your marketing automation forms will be automatically integrated into your CRM records through Sync Apps. For the pricing, for the free, basic, and professional plans, we have a $10 add-on fee, and for enterprise, we don't require any payments for that. The last add-on applicable for Salesforce to Constant Contact is our custom opt-out field. So if you're syncing a field other than the standard email opt-out field in your CRM, then this SyncApps add-on is available for you to expose the custom opt-out fields in SyncApps custom field mapping for you to use in your CRM to map over to your marketing automation solution. So a scenario is our subscriber needs to sync a custom opt-out field, and she thinks that SyncApps only syncs the standard opt-out field. How do I do this? With SyncApps, by default, we only sync standard opt-out fields, and for syncing a custom opt-out field, this add-on is available so that it will show up in step 4 of your sync profile, wherein you can select that custom opt-out field and map that accordingly from your marketing automation to your CRM with SyncApps. So this add-on is currently unavailable for the free plan, but it is available for basic and professional plans with a $10 add-on fee, and no payment required for our enterprise plans for this add-on. So do you have any questions for the team? Our sales engineers are online waiting to answer any questions that you might have.
I have a question.
Hi. Yes, can you go ahead?
If we have checkboxes in Salesforce, can those checkboxes filter to Constant Contact to lists based on the name of that checkbox? Is there an add-on for that?
So you want to sync the checkboxes in your Salesforce, am I correct?
So say we have a checkbox for quarterly report in Salesforce, and we have a bunch of contacts that have that checkbox marked. Is there an add-on where we can sync that to Constant Contact and create a list under that particular name, quarterly report, or whatever the case may be?
So you want to you have checkboxes in Salesforce wherein you manage Constant Contact subscribers, correct? So yes, definitely you can do that, and our sales engineer here has sent you on the chat box here a knowledge base article wherein the specific checkbox Salesforce can be managed in Constant Contact with SyncApps.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Katie. So do we have any questions from the group here? Also, we would like to invite you to head over our blog by Friday, wherein we will be posting the webinar video and together with discussions on what the webinar is all about. So you can replay and relive the video once more if you have further questions with the add-ons for SyncApps. As well as you can always send us a message at support@kazumi.com if you have any further questions, and our support team will be glad to help you out and answer your questions entirely. Are there still any questions for the team? I think not, so Yeah, so Katie and everyone else who's in the webinar today, we'd like to thank you for your time, for joining us. We really appreciate it. And if you have any further questions after this webinar, you can always shoot a message or create a ticket on our 24/7 support team at support@kazumi.com, and we will be glad to help you out. For those who have arrived late for the webinar, don't worry, we will be posting a webinar blog by Friday, so please head over to kazumi.com and read more about our blogs. For you to relive and rewatch our webinar for today. So thank you all for joining, and we hope to see you again next week on our Wednesday webinar. So please be updated and stay tuned. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.